that not every day is going to be same, not every show is going to be same. और ये सारी जो सराहना प्रेजेस मिलते हैं ना, that is limited to that particular show. In fact, I mean, sadly I lost my father 2 years back, but this was the last project that we discussed when he was there with us. मतलब लोगों को हर तरफ से इतना पसंद भी आ रहा है, और अगर हंसल मेहता खुद बोल रहे हैं कि उनकी करियर का अब तक का सबसे बड़ा हिट है या प्रोजेक्ट है, तो देखिए, why are you getting into an uncertain field where you have a degree in your hand, which is a first class engineering degree that can fetch you a good job, a steady, stable career? Then why do you want to do this?
प्रतीक, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका बॉलीवुड हंगामा पे और बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद। हम लोग जब पिछली बार मिले थे तो मैंने आपसे कहा था कि स्कैम हैड जस्ट रिलीज एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम और आप बहुत ज्यादा तारीफों के लिए आप तैयार हो जाइए। मैं आपके इंटरव्यूज अभी देख रहा हूँ, मुझे बड़ी खुशी हो रही है कि ब्रेकिंग बैड, चेरनोबिल और दुनिया में वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अपलोडेड वेब शो, ऑब्वियसली मेरे ख्याल से आई थिंक किसी ने भी इमेजिन नहीं किया था, बट स्टिल आई थिंक मेहनत जो है वो रंग ला रही है आपकी।
जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच। मतलब इतना प्यार मिल रहा है लोगों से, इतनी सराहना हो रही है सब जगह से, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ यार, जो मेहनत कर रहे थे इतने सालों से, वो दिशा सही थी, जिस रास्ते पे थे वो सब सही था। हमारे मुझे मतलब मेरे खुद के क्राफ्ट पे भी मेरा विश्वास थोड़ा बड़ा है कि ठीक है, मैं जो सोच के कर रहा था वो ट्रांसलेट हो रहा है। सो इट इज रियली एनकरेजिंग।
प्रतीक, हम लोग इतने एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग दौर में हैं एंड इट इज सो फैसिनेटिंग, और चीजें जो हैं वो ड्रामेटिकली चेंज हो रही हैं। स्कैम शो आता है सोनी लिव के ऊपर, और सोनी लिव के जो सब्सक्राइबर बेस है उसमें जबरदस्त उछाल आता है। हंसल मेहता हैज कॉल्ड इट द ओनली ब्लॉकबस्टर ऑफ हिज करियर। तो आप कैसे आप इसको देखते हैं कि दैट नाउ इट इज नो मोर द बिग स्क्रीन जो कि आपका यार्डस्टिक हो, और अगर देखा जाए तो वेब शोज के सुपरस्टार हो गए आप एक शो से।
मतलब बहुत सही कहा आपने कि बहुत ही जबरदस्त टाइम है ये, वेरी वेरी एक्साइटिंग टाइम फॉर एक्टर्स टू बी अराउंड। और मतलब मुझे तो सबसे ज्यादा खुशी इस बात की है कि ऐसे एक प्रोजेक्ट का मैं हिस्सा बना हूँ, जो कि मतलब लोगों को हर तरफ से इतना पसंद भी आ रहा है। और अगर हंसल मेहता खुद बोल रहे हैं कि उनकी करियर का अब तक का सबसे बड़ा हिट है या प्रोजेक्ट है, इट इज ऑल्सो वर्किंग वंडरफुली फॉर अ प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक सोनी लिव, and it is a big milestone of my career till now. So yeah, a lot of things, I mean, मेरे लिए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है ये कि I am chosen one, I was chosen for this and I am a part of this.
राइट, और आपको अपरेंटली मेन लीड के आपको ऑफर्स आ रहे हैं।
जी। So ये भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एक फेज होता है फॉर एनी एक्टर, कि आप सालों से, मतलब हर एक एक्टर चाहता है कि मैं सेंट्रल प्रोटैगनिस्ट का कैरेक्टर करूं, मेन लीड करूं, एंड दैट टू इन मेन स्ट्रीम, हिंदी। एक प्रोजेक्ट लोगों का पूरा जो नजरिया चेंज कर देता है आपके प्रति।
Definitely. So who all have offered you?
So there are a lot of interesting films coming my way. Though we are just in discussion stage right now, where the narrations are happening, I'm reading the scripts and all. So if that works out, that will be a very big thing for me, because mainstream Hindi film है और उसमें एक बहुत ही interesting, as good as a lead protagonist है. I'm waiting for a lot of other web series also which are being offered to me. जल्दी से उसमें से भी कुछ अगर materialize हो जाएगा तो that will also be very interesting.
Right. मैं आपका एक टेड टॉक देख रहा था प्रतीक आज सुबह, करीबन 2 साल पहले आपने वो किया है, और इट इज सो रिलेटेबल जो आपकी जर्नी रही है। तो मतलब स्कैम तक पहुंचते पहुंचते, रोड साइड राजू, ये आप वहां तक पहुंचते पहुंचते जो आपकी पूरी जर्नी रही है, आप कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है इसी के लिए तैयारी कर रहे थे, आप कुछ आप अलग करने की कोशिश करें। दैट वाज योर कॉन्शियस डिसीजन।
हाँ, क्योंकि मैंने ना बहुत सुना था, देखिए जितने भी लोगों ने मुझे कहा वो सारे मेरे नजदीकी लोग थे, सब मुझसे बहुत प्यार करते थे, सब मेरा भला चाहते थे। तभी वो लोग ये भी बोलते थे कि व्हाई आर यू गेटिंग इनटू एन अनसर्टेन फील्ड वेयर यू हैव अ डिग्री इन योर हैंड, व्हिच इज अ फर्स्ट क्लास इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री दैट कैन फेच यू अ गुड जॉब, अ स्टेडी स्टेबल करियर, देन व्हाई डू यू वांट टू डू दिस? किसी का कोई खराब इंटेंशन नहीं था, दे वर ऑल कंसर्न्ड अबाउट मी, But at the same time, I don't know, constantly felt that if there is some thought coming from within, which is the purest innermost first thought, then how can I let it go? And if it is driven by passion, if it is driven by a lot of love towards something, it's not driven by the fear कि ये नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा. It's purely driven by the love that I want to do this. So I better stick to it, stick to that thought and just keep working on it. दोनों फील्ड में साथ में, a lot of people told me कि यार दो घोड़ों पे सवारी नहीं हो पाएगी. You will not be able to, justify anything. You will not be able to give your 100% to any field. So that was a challenge for me to prove it to myself rather than the world around me. कि भले ये नहीं होता होगा largely, पर नहीं हो सकता ऐसा भी नहीं है. It's not impossible to do. You can still try and do it. Even if you fail, you have nobody to blame. It's just you, that you have taken this, and that's okay to fail. But at least try, explore, because that was the only possibility with me at that time. कि अगर मुझे ये फील्ड भी कंटिन्यू करना है, सर्वाइव भी करना है, तो जॉब के साथ ही हो पाएगा. Because the kind of theater that I was doing, it was not paying me that great money to pay my bills.
Right.
And having a settled family, having a full-fledged family, I couldn't have taken that risk then.
लेकिन थिएटर से आपको एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज मिली जो आपने उस टेड टॉक में कहा है कि आप रात में आप थिएटर करते थे और आप प्रैक्टिस आप करते थे बार बार सेम चीज के लिए. आई थिंक 35 नाइट्स आपने शायद किसी एक प्ले के लिए आपने प्रैक्टिस करी. एंड वो प्रैक्टिस करने से आपको एक पूरा जो क्राफ्ट होता है या फिर एक जो लगन होती है एक्टिंग की तरफ, यू लर्न दैट फ्रॉम थिएटर.
Yeah. So theater has given me a lot of things in my life. I mean, whatever that I have achieved is all credits to theater. Because see, theater gives you that discipline as a person also, as an actor also. It trains you mentally also, and it makes you more human. थिएटर का बहुत सीधा सीधा हिसाब ये है कि एक शो आपने ऐसा कर दिया कि जिसमें इतनी वाहवाही हो गई, मतलब लोगों ने स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन दे दिया, और मतलब पीपल देयर विल अनाउंस यू दैट यू आर द बेस्ट एक्टर ऑफ मिलेनियम एंड एवरीथिंग. Same play, next show will not guarantee you the same thing, because you are human, you are not robot, you are not machine. So it's a very very human thing that you learn, that not every day is going to be same, not every show is going to be same. और ये सारी जो सराहना प्रेजेस मिलते हैं ना, that is limited to that particular show at that time, at that night, for those few hours.
Wow.
So you don't get all those things in your head, in your bag, and just go home every day. नहीं तो बैग इतना हैवी हो जाएगा that you will never be able to walk. So जितनी भी तालियां मिलती हैं, जितनी भी सराहना मिलती है, उसे प्रणाम करके वहीं छोड़ के आगे जाओ, because next day is going to be the new day, next show is going to be the new show, and you are bound to make mistakes. So be careful there.
Absolutely. Now one more thing जो कि आपके उस टेड टॉक से मैंने देखा, सुना, and at the same time फिर then I could relate to Scam as well. आपने कहा कि दैट जब आप बॉम्बे में आए एज एन एक्टर, तो आपको बहुत ही सटल तरीके से आपको ये कम्युनिकेट कर दिया गया कि दैट यू आर नॉट फिट टू बी द मेन लीड, आप हीरो मटेरियल नहीं हो. एंड सेम चीज जो है हर्षद मेहता के साथ में होती थी कि दैट पेडिग्री का एक एलिमेंट होता था उनके, यार तुम ये नहीं कर सकते, तुम ये इसके लिए बने नहीं हो. और वो ही वांटेड टू प्रूव पीपल रॉन्ग कि वो लेक्सस उसको परचेज करना था चाहे 10 लाख रुपए ज्यादा देकर, उसको गोल्फ सीखना था और उसने गोल्फ सीख के दिखाया. Those are just two examples that I'm giving. There are many more. So can we say that कुछ आपका जो personality traits जो हैं वो दोनों से similar है, हर्षद मेहता के और आपके, when it comes to just proving people wrong?
When it comes to those incidences, or if we are just drawing those parallels, so as I keep saying, that anything that we do is driven by either of these two emotions. Either it is driven by love or fear. If it is surely driven by love, which is passion, that ये तो मुझे करना है, and at that time you don't think about the world around you कि उनको कैसा लगेगा, मैं उनके लिए प्रूव करूं. तो मेरे केस में ज्यादातर ये होता था कि यार जैसे सटली बता दिया गया कि यार मतलब फिजिकली ऑल्सो, लुक्स वाइज ऑल्सो, यू आर नॉट फिट फॉर द लीड कैरेक्टर्स. You should better think about some character roles and everything. That's okay. For me, it was like that. What is it that you are looking for a lead actor? Because I had this idea that it's not merely looks, it's not merely a physical presence, it's how you carry the character for those 2.5 hours.
Right.
How you can make people get attached to your emotions and to your eyes. That even if I'm not saying a line for 1 minute and they are attached to me, they are still searching for something inside me without me saying a line. So this is what I kept practicing on stage. Then why not? What are they searching for? And half of the time, the people who used to tell me, they don't know what they want. Otherwise, they would not take hundreds of auditions. If they are so sure that what they want, they would know 5 people and then they're done.
Having learned from Harshad Mehta, I'm sure that you must have really researched a lot. I believe you've spoken to the jobbers who worked with him, and you've read about him, and you've done your detailed research as well. So there's a very interesting aspect around Harshad Mehta, that he was very confident. You said in an interview that he was a charmer.
Yeah.
He had this interesting way of just saying certain things, and people used to believe in him. Like that, if Harshad Mehta is saying that, people fell for it, and they just
Yeah.
totally believed in that. And he genuinely wanted people to make money as well. Now, what do you think is a thin line between confidence and overconfidence?
Oh, that's a very, very thin line between confidence. In fact, the way I have created this character also, that
Yeah,
entire journey from confidence to overconfidence to arrogance to ego.
absolutely.
And
That's
this
what it is.
every stage, at every stage, it's a very, very thin line. So the person who's actually on that trajectory would not even understand that whether when he shifted his gears from confidence to overconfidence.
Right.
So something like I will be able to do it and I'll do it is a confidence is how I look at it. And when you are actually seeing something not happening and you're still behind it, that no, 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 no. I don't want to see those pitfalls, but I will still do it. Now that's a very, very thin line. You can't not look at the pitfalls. I mean, you can't, avoid their existence because they are there. It's there, right there.
No, no, absolutely, absolutely. And I think that's the beauty of the character, that it flows so organically that there is no forced way of showcasing that this is overconfidence and this is being arrogant. It's just
Yeah.
a natural progression.
And only third person will be able to point out that "अरे यार ये change हो रहा है थोड़ा सा मतलब ना he's
Mm.
changing." The one who's into it will never realize.
Now, most of your family members, they are teachers. They're from the teaching
Yeah.
profession, and
Yeah.
you wanted to go out and become an actor. So, how has your family been responding to the response of Scam 92?
Oh my God, the entire family is absolutely very, very happy. They're all overjoyed. In fact, I mean, sadly, I lost my father 2 years back, but this was the last project that we discussed when he was there with us. Supportive of being actor because he himself was a classical dancer. He was so my entire family is into Shastriya Sangeet and Haveli Sangeet. We are Vaishnavs, so Haveli Sangeet, Kirtan and all is an integral part of entire family culture. And that's how I also picked up music, my interest in performing arts and everything. So, though in my entire family, nobody was an actor ever, I am the first one to, to go on stage as an actor. But they were all absolutely, okay with it. They were very, very supportive about it. In fact, my father used to tell me that you leave the job and just get into it full time. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा छोटा घर होगा छोटी गाड़ी होगी but you will be happy. That's how he used to talk to me.
All right, and now you are a Gujarati yourself, and Harshad Mehta was a Gujarati as well. Did that help in terms of getting those nuances right?
Oh yes, so the major help that I got from me being Gujarati and Harshad Mehta's character being Gujarati is the language, because largely if you see Gujarati language per se has been portrayed as a caricaturish language in any tele serials also and a lot of films also, but here
Mm-hmm.
it had to be very, very organic. मतलब जब गुजराती बात भी करते हैं तो बात में दो वर्ड्स गुजराती में हो ही सकते हैं एंड देन देयर हिंदी इज हिंदी, और बहुत हल्का सा एक वो रहता है वेर यू फील कि अरे दिस गाय इज नॉट हिंदी स्पीकिंग गाय, हिंदी इज नॉट हिज मदर टंग.
Right.
Like the way we hear any Bengali also for that matter, or anybody else, any regional person who talks in Hindi, you feel that a very little trace of their mother tongue.
Yeah. At the same time, that every Gujarati understands business. And even the food, because food is
Oh
a
yes.
very interesting part of the scams we do as well, and the CBI is coming in, the way he's tackling them. So does that make some sort of resonance in your mind?
Oh yes, definitely. The way उनका खाने पीने का तरीका जो है, बैठने का तरीका जो है, the way they talk, the way they charm people around them with food, the business ideas, and it is not that they have to work hard towards it. It's their basic intrinsic nature. It's their basic instinct.
Even the family part.
Even the family part. So being a family guy, having those cola parties in the family, that's a very interesting thing.